yini kahle kahle i-website link? Siyayizwa nje kancane kancane labantu abakhuluma nge-digital marketing. Ubezwa sebesho into abayibiza nge-website link, but go to my website link and then you'll find my product there. But the question is, yini i-website link leyo? Asihlamba siqale ngokuyichaza kanje lento. Umuntu before ajoyine noma athenge iprogram le ama-digital programs lawo esinawo. Sizwile nathi ngama stores akhona ukuthi as soon as uthenga iprogram uqala ube ne-store. Then sabe siba ne-store. Now ekathi ngithatha iprogram okulekelelwa mhlambe abanye abafowethu, we made a setup. A setup is when you establishing your shop, uyifake impahla yakho le onayo, your program or your product. It can be a product or it can be a program. Njengoba thina ngipromota ama e-learning course, mina i-program. That's where yazaleka khona ke le account ebizwa ngokuthiwa uStarsam Digital World. Why is it digital world? Because laphana akuseyona iprogram eyodwa. Umuntu ufike neprogram eyodwa ekwaku legacy builder wa developer. Sekunama program amaningi lapha. That's why igama lithi it's digital world, because ama program aka digital lawana. Now uma usivula ke isitolo sakho, you open i-website, iyona ndawo la ostorisha khona impahla yakho through i-website. Now uma usuthi ngena ke lapha kwi-website udirector abantu, bangene kanjani? Ukuthi nje kuphela fanele baklikhe on this account kaStarsam. Lapha kunendawo e-clickable ebizwa ngokuthiwa iyona ine-email, and iyona ke i-account la, iyona link le ekulinka ne-store. To click leya ndawo leyana wena udinga i-email, your email, usebenzisa your email ukuyivula leya shop leyana. This is a direction ekusa kuleya shop, usebenzisa i-email, your email as ukhiye ukuthi uvule kuleyo shop lo, ukuze ubone ngaphakathi ukuthi kunani. Then mufika ngaphakathi ufica ama product, different product ongawathatha uwathenge. Sometimes ke amanye usuku usunayo incazelo ngawo, usuwa understand ukuthi akhuluma ngani through mhlambe ama live streaming esiba nawo, or just nje ukuthi uzwe ngomunye umuntu, or ungezwa futhi nangako o nangathi la ekhaya ka digital world. Now usuyayithenga, uyayikhokhela through i-account ekhona lapho providewayo yona i-account, or it can be internationally where bangakhokha through PayPal. Sebenzisa PayPal la ekhaya as ibank esikhokha kulona. Livuma ukuthi ukhokhe noma ngabe kuyiphi ingxenye yomhlaba. Ibhanki nje lomhlaba leli lona eliconnecte nale link le. Ama prices akhona lapha in dollar form. Maye ama-dollar nawe uya-check-a ke ukuthi awu njoba engima-dollar nje lithini i-dollar of the day, then ukhokhe ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Now every time mangabe uzwa leli gama kuthiwa go and check on my bio, i-link yami, and then you take your store, uzobe usu-understanda ukuthi oh bakhuluma ngalento manje ukuthi bangifaka esitolo sabo, bathi angingene ngikwazi ukubona ukuthi yini ekhona. You can be interested ke any product engiyisho zoyifica ngaphakathi, and then you buy it. You buy it even noma ngabe awudingi ukuthi udlule through me. As soon as ukhokha nje you get your product, and then mina ngithola i-notification ethi somebody has bought a product, and then mina I come back to you ngikufakele i-product, and then I support you ukuthi nawe uvule eyakho ishop. Should now usuzoba nayo ishop efuze yona le kaStarsam Digital World. Now usune shop yakho ke entsha through le system oyisebenzisile yokwenza njani yekuya lapha kwi-clickable link. Now nanoma ubani angayenza leyo nto, ithuba lakho ke nawe as a beginner ungaya lapha uyivisit and then take one of those programs. It's worth it. Ayabiza, amanye acheap, amanye ayanexabiso elithe xaxa, depend ukuthi wena udinga yiphi product noma uthi wena nginga-afforda yiphi. Noma ngabe i-cheap ungayithatha, singacebisana ukuthi wena as a beginner yiphi mhlawumbe ungathesta ngayo ukuthi you are made this for this kind of business, uyithathe. Nakumina akhona engakawaqedi ukuwathatha, uthola ukuthi anama-volume, mhlawumbe anama-volume awu-5, but mina ngisathathe nje ama-volume amabili, but the rest sengawathatha wonke, ngawathenga wonke. Yeah, enze njalo-ke nawe mfowethu. Go to i-website leyana and take one of these programs. Ithuba leli lokushintsha impilo yakho. Thank you.